Hello guys, kumusta? Kumusta? Greetings from Sequoia National Park, katabi ng Sequoia National Forest. Okay, so without looking at the internet kung ano ibig sabihin ng Sequoia, pero ito yung lugar ng malalaking puno. For me, mga prehistoric trees. So, sabi nila, ganito daw kalalaki mga puno nung unang panahon. Lalaki oh, hindi mo kayang yakapin to eh. So, kung sa ito yung nirent namin na Jeep Trailhawk, Jeep Compass. AJ, take pictures. Ito pakita niyo yung malaking puno doon, guys. Go with your mom. AJ, dali, habang walang kotse. Look at that tree. Wow. Hindi lang malalaki, matataas pa. Giant. So, nung unang panahon, malalaki ang mga creatures, mga hayop, pati puno. Yan, punta tayo dito. Yun, may nag-hike pala dun sa taas. No? Ito ang binyahin namin dito sa California to see this giant trees. Ha? Wow. May bear pala dito. May nag-hike dun, oh. Bata pa, oh. Ang laki, oh. Wow. Dito lang ako nakakita nito. I mean, we travel, pero hindi pa namin siguro na travel lahat, pero wala pa ako nakitang ganito kalaking puno. Massive trees. Ito nga kambal, oh. Sequoia. Oh wow, ang taas. Ano?
Walang bantay, tara pasok tayo.
Yeah, where? Nag-hike, pasok tayo sa tree na yun, oh. Yung tree na pwede kang pumasok. Yan. May restroom dito, buti hindi nila sinara. Vault toilet. Yung nauna sa amin, mga babae. Sabi sa amin good thing you're men. Because why? Because it's gross in there, sabi ng babae. Kadiri daw kasi vault. Alam niyo ba yung vault toilet? Ano lang yan? Hukay lang yan. Kita mo yung mga dumi nasa ilalim. Okay. So, shutdown ngayon ng government ng US. So, kasi mga Democrats sinuhold na hostage ang government Gusto nila mabigyan ng free healthcare ang mga illegals dito sa US. Bakit? Kasi wala na silang botante. Kailangan nila ng voters. So, yung mga illegals, yun ang pabobotohin nila. Pag binigyan nila ng benefits, ina-assume nila, boboto sila. Okay? So, you don't wanna go there? We're already here. Ayan that big tree. Ayan naman. Sa ibang side naman sila Saan sila dumaan? AJ, go with your mom.
Walang bantay pag may
Family Mondragon Aliman. Mga Hispanic to Ayan, AJ, go with your mom. Pupunta tayo dun Wow, sama. Ang laking puno. Go AJ, go. So, sa tingin nyo, pangit ba yung nag-shutdown? Sabi ko, I think it's a good thing na shutdown. Bakit? Walang entrance pagpasok dito. Pero bukas ang gate. Walang entrance. Sabi ko, sana buksan nila yung mga Ang laki nitong puno na to. Panahon ng Jurassic Park to. Alin, prehistoric to. Wow. Historic. Wow, parang sa sa mga fairy tales, no? Wow, look at that. You need to come closer para ma-compare yung size. AJ, go. Wow, pangklaseng puno to. Dito lang. Ako lang nakita. Malaki, malapad na, mataas pa. Wow. Ang laki ng puno. Oh, look at me. Look at me. Haji. Haji, 1, 2, 3. Laki. Ang laki. Sama kayo. Nakakita na ba kayo ng ganito? Ha? Ano? Baka may bear sa loob ha? Use your light. AJ, use your light. Your phone's light. AJ. Wow, ang laki. Use your phone. Let's go inside, Alin. Sa loob? May tao dyan sa loob? May tao? Ganun kalaki?
Oo, ganun ka lang. Let's go.
Parang Alice in Wonderland ah. May tao sa loob? Wow. Use your phone's light.
Oh, hindi, may tao sa loob.
Okay. Come here.
Daddy, ako wala pa akong pictures.
Teka, nag-video ako eh. Oh. Hey, look muna. 1, 2, 3. AJ.
Mataas.
Ayan.
Yan. No.
Ayun oh, paano lapit kayo.
Now why take a video?
Yeah. Okay.
Hindi.
Wow.
Ano sa loob.
May tao. Ginagawa nila.
Doon tayo sa loob. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Light. Oh, use the light.
Ito, picture tayo.
What? Oh,
Oh, you can climb the tree.
what? I can climb.
Yeah, did
Wow, ano to? Insekto? Hangin. Where? Yeah, look at the screen. What is that? What is that?
there is something in
That is particles. Like you
Yeah.
see in the building.
Picture tayo.
You're breathing it.
Picture tayo.
Wow. There's someone naka-video ako eh. Ginalaw mo talaga. Ito yung loob.
Grabe.
Ito yung loob guys. Grabe. Ito yung loob ng puno. Dami na siguro humawak dito. Ay, nasunog pa.
Ay, Daddy, ito rin. Nakalabas na sila. Alam ba sila?
AJ, may dumaan dyan? May daanan dyan?
There's two exits.
Yeah, try it. Try it. Try it.
Try it, mom.
Try it.
Ay, ito.
Go, 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 go.
There's two. Ay,
Try it. Try it.
Mom, go.
Go, go. Just go. Come on.
there's two.
Bata nga, lumabas eh. Wow. Go.
Hindi ko kaya.
AJ.
Si AJ na lang.
AJ, do it.
Taas.
Go, go. Yeah. I'm giving. Here's the light. Okay, wow. Go. Put your phone away.
Oh, that's good.
Use 1 foot up. 1 foot. Okay. What's this? This is tight. Yeah. Kasha ako. I think I can fit. I think I can fit. Wow. Wow. Yeah, this is tight. This is tight. Tight. I can fit, but I can't take a video while doing this. Wow. I think this is the biggest tree that I've seen in my entire life, right?
Wala ka pa sa general sermon.
Huh?
The general sermon is inside the Nash daan.
May mas malaki?
Oo.
You're bigger?
Yes. General sermon.
Yeah, so where did you
Where did you
pass through? You come out of this side?
No, not that one. That one.
There's two.
So you can come out of here.
No, that's nothing. That I came on this one.
You came out of this one.
Tali-
It's like Alice in Wonderland. Huh? You go to another dimension. Okay. Okay. Wow. Ang laki.
Daddy.
Ang laki. Yan. Wow. Ito, dyan. 1, 2. Wow. Ito pa. Wow. This tree is so big. I'll see you guys. See you next time. Bye. Wow.